Ricardo cooking program, guys. I know you know that this month is Black Friday. Black Friday is a time where, you know what I mean, it's a big thing in England and in the USA where people do a lot of shopping, you know what I mean, and a lot of things. But Black Friday, we got a 50% discount on the cooking book, Chef Ricardo Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Book, guys. It is amazing. And I want to simply say to you, it's going to be on Amazon. And, you know what I mean, there's Amazon and there's a 50% discount price at the moment. Black Friday sale, guys, is going to be totally dropped right down to zero. So, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the link down below where you can just click on that link and it take you straight where you can get the book to buy. Also, you can buy on my website at chefricardo.co.uk or chefricardocooking.com. It's on Amazon and there's a 50% discount price starting as from this week. Go right back till Black Friday. Black Friday is one of the biggest time in the world where a lot of people buy a lot of things. And the beauty with this cooking book, I want to simply say to you, the Jamaican rum fruit cake is in this book. Guys, I'm telling you, the black Jamaican rum fruit cake is in the book. Get the copy, have it at home, and bake the Jamaican rum fruit cake. Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Book. If you go online and you type up the name Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Book, you will get the copy, and there's a 50% off at the moment for Black Friday. So guys, big support. Thank you so much. And also, if you see the back of the book, this is the back of the book, and the book was dedicated for my daughter, and it's a Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Book. So big support and big thanks for all who also buy the book already and leave their comments. So guys, thank you so much, and hopefully you will have a wonderful time at Black Friday. See you next time.